Chiliz cost essentially equivalent to $0.0799 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0774, 0.0801, which generally is very critical. The earlier day close, 0.0780. Or so they really thought. The change generally was plus 0.0019, plus 2.44%. Especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Converse rate, United States dollars to CHZ, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $0.077, truly greatest 0.082, really least 0.072. Which generally is very huge. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.077, especially greatest 0.082, truly least 0.072, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.077, kind of greatest 0.082, especially least 0.072. Exhibiting that Chiliz cost truly equivalent to $0.0799 a coin, which certainly is very huge. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.077, essentially most extreme 0.082, truly least 0.072. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost $0.076, genuinely greatest 0.081. Most certainly least 0.071 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Chiliz gauge on Monday, July 31, cost $0.077, genuinely greatest 0.082, sort of least 0.072, or so they generally thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.075, for the most part greatest 0.080. Certainly least 0.070 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.076, really most extreme 0.081, sort of least 0.071, or so they fundamentally thought. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.073 in every practical sense, greatest 0.078, sort of least 0.068. Which generally is genuinely critical. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, August 4, cost $0.080, especially greatest 0.086, beautiful least 0.074. In about 14 days Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $0.079, kind of greatest 0.085, sort of least 0.073. Which really is very critical. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.080, truly greatest 0.086, essentially least 0.074, which in a real sense is very huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.080, all things considered, greatest 0.086, least 0.074, which is very critical. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.079. Greatest 0.085, extremely least 0.073, or so they for the most part thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost $0.079, certainly most extreme 0.085, kind of least 0.073, which essentially is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Chiliz gauge on Monday, August 14, cost $0.081, most extreme 0.087, all things considered, least 0.075. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.078, truly most extreme 0.083, by and large least 0.073 in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.076, by and large greatest 0.081, especially least 0.071 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.075, sort of greatest 0.080, especially least 0.070 in an especially significant way. Chiliz gauge on Friday, August 18, cost $0.077, essentially greatest 0.082, certainly least 0.072 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $0.075, greatest $0.080, essentially least $0.070, which generally is genuinely huge. Chilliz estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.079, exceptionally most extreme $0.085, beautiful least $0.073 in an unpretentious way.